Welcome students. We were discussing about Beena Devi. We have already discussed about these four women achievers: Yosna Chitling, Hima Das, Mansi Pradhan, Arunima Singh, and now we'll be discussing about a lady well known as a woman entrepreneur from the district of Munger of Bihar state. Right. When we discuss about this lady, we have to be clear in our mind that we are living in a male-dominated society, right? And a stereotype is there about women as well as men. It is generally thought. You also might have seen this, observed this in Indian society, in your daily life also, that it is thought by most of the people that women are made to do household chores and men are made to go outside home and earn money. But this is not the fact. We are living in the 21st century and the same weightage should be given to women also, but it is not found, okay, at a ground level. So this is the pathetic situation of our thought process, right? But this stereotype, many times we see that are is broken, okay, by some great souls, by some great people. And one of such great souls, great people is Beena Devi. What happened? When she got married, she started a new life. She was warmly welcomed in a new house by her in-laws, right? All the people were good. There were about 18 members were there in her new family. When she entered that house, she was just like other women of the village. She was married in a family, a middle class family, in the village of Dauri of Mungar district of Bihar. So she started her life, a new life, as the other women were leading their lives, doing the household chore, doing the household work, cooking, washing clothes, making dishes, etc. Right? Looking after the members of family, taking care of husband, all these things which are literally assigned, right? Across India, we find it, right, to women, and it's considered that it is their job to look after the family. So, to some extent, this stereotype of women's work is broken, okay, in many parts, especially in urban areas. But in rural areas, you will find that these things are assigned to women, right? So she was also involved. She was also doing the same work when she got married and came to a family of 18 members, right? But a change came in her life. A change came over her life when the people from Mungas Krishi Vigyana Kendra Agriculture Center Science visited that place, that village. And a program was arranged for especially women so that they could promote, those people could promote. Okay, it was a kind of initiative taken by the government itself, and that's why it had somewhat good backup from the government itself, and it was efficient in the working. So those people had come there and they arranged a program to empower women of the village. Some women went there, they attended the program. One of those women was this lady, Beena Devi. She got convinced that she could do something apart from her daily work. Okay. And she started doing something different. In the beginning, when she started that work, in the very beginning, it happens in also whenever you start to do something new, you are laughed. Okay. So the same happened with this lady also when she started. It was about growing mushroom. She was trained for this particular thing. Okay, growing mushroom, organic products, organic farming, etc. But in the beginning, she started her public life for her career. Okay, as a mushroom grower. So she, with very limited resources, she started this at home only, right? She didn't go to any farm or any land and any plant, etc. doing that work. So at her, where she was living, there was one cot, and she used that cot, and under that she grew a kilo of mushroom in the very beginning. was the initial stage of her life, social life. I would like to use the word social. So she grew 1 kg of mushroom. This boosted her confidence. She mustered confidence in herself, and she was convinced that definitely she could cross the threshold of 4 walls or of her house. She was well convinced by this thought, and of course, she was stumbled upon an opportunity in her life, and she didn't want to lose that opportunity. In fact, she used that factor for developing herself, her family also. So after that, what happened? She started working publicly. In 2013, Dina started her journey from within the very doors of her home. She got in touch with the people from Krishi Vigyan Center, and they taught her the technique of growing mushrooms. She had an old pot. Just I have already told you. After that, what happened? She gradually popularized mushroom farming in the neighboring village, near about in 105 villages. And see the surprise, a favorable incident took place in her life, that when she became very popular or familiar face, a buzzing face, at least in that Mungar area, in the nearby villages, 105 villages were involved in that work of growing mushroom. And actually, she arranged the programs for women. This is very peculiar. This is very surprising, right? And it's in fact, it's a very amazing, good thing, right? Appreciable. She involved the women from the surrounding areas, from the neighboring villages, and trained almost 10,000 rural women. 10,000, and she was made the sarpanch of her villagers. So the term was for 5 years, and she had now a golden opportunity, because when you come into power, when you have power in your hand, then definitely automatically confidence comes into you, and sources are there, too many resources are there, you are not short of resources also, okay, so many people are there to help you, so many helping hands are there. So when you are surrounded, when you are encouraged by all these things, then definitely you can think something highly in your life, right? So she used her power for empowering the women from the neighboring village. So there are about 10,000 rural women were trained, and they started organic farming, then compost manure, vermi compost production, as well as mushroom production also. So this way she helped 10,000 women, 2,500 farmers. She created self-help groups also. Now her income, monthly income is 90,000, around 90,000. She earns 30,000 from mushroom farming and 60,000 from organic farming. And you know, in today's time, organic products are in great demand. When we speak about the vegetables, then definitely vegetables grown organically are sold at higher prices compared to the products or the vegetables grown using pesticides and other chemical mixed things. So today she is well known as a woman entrepreneur, and recently on 8th March 2020, just a year ago, the President Shri Ramnath Kovind ji presented her the Nari Shakti Puraskar. So this is a great achievement, I think, for a lady coming from a very common background, from a rural area of Bihar district. It's very inspirational, encouraging. And if you are convinced, if you decide in your life to do something extraordinary also, then definitely you very enthusiastically put aside all the problems, and you think very positively. Even though you have so many problems in your life, you can take a successful way through that situation also, through those problems also, and can achieve something high or lofty aim in your life. So this is especially for women, for girls, that we must learn this great lesson from the life of Beena Devi, a entrepreneur, a woman entrepreneur from the state of Bihar, India. So this is about all these 5 great achievers in different fields of their lives, and we will be discussing unsung women achievers of contemporary India by Subhashri Mukherjee. So we stop here and this lesson also ends here. Thank you.